Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. This video is on the custom paint job I recently did on the Revell 1949 Mercury. I'll be showing some of the masking process, some of the paints I used, and you'll see how it all turns out in the end. So stay tuned. Where I'm picking up in this video, I've already got all my body work done, and I show all that in the complete build video, which I'll leave a link for at the end, in case you have not yet seen it and would be interested. But right now, I'm moving on to paint. After getting all the body work done, the first step was to get everything in primer. After wet sanding the primer out, I laid down my metallic base coat, which is Autoborn Sealer Silver. I came back over the sealer with 2 heavy coats of the 40/50 as an inner coat clear to add extra strength. I let that sit for 48 hours to fully cure. And then I started masking. When I got done masking off the basic lines of the roof, I decided I didn't care for it and wanted to go a different way. So I did a real rough sketch here, and this is what I'm going to be shooting for. I started by just making some centering lines. After that, piece by piece, I just started masking out the pattern. It's time to start painting. I masked off my first section to start laying down some color. The first color I'll be spraying is Createx Pearl Purple, mixed with the 4011 reducer and the 4050 for strength. After I got done spraying the lacework, I masked off my next section, and I sprayed it in Createx Candy 2.0 Deep Purple. The next color I'll be spraying is Createx Wicked Black. I masked up my neck section and sprayed some more lace patterns. Next, I remasked off all my patterns, and I painted the rest of the body in Createx Wicked Black. After that, I started some unmasking. I continued on unmasking all of the fine line. Next, I sprayed over my lace patterns with the Candy Deep Purple. And started unmasking my paint patterns. Next, I went over everything with a couple coats of the Candy Deep Purple. I got my first round of clear coat done. I wet sanded everything down, and I came back with one more round of clear coat, and here is how it all turned out.
Dreams unwind, fading lights and Ghosts of a world in endless bounds. In this neon haze we're running blind, chasing echoes we leave behind. Through wires and lights we search and roam. The city's heart is our only home. Signals cross in the midnight air. Digital whispers fill the night with flair. Dance of shadows on cracked glass walls. As silence shatters, the memory calls. In this neon haze we're running blind, chasing echoes we leave behind. Through wires and lights we search and roam. The city's heart is our only home.
Well, that's all I got for you guys today. If you'd be interested in seeing how I did the suspension, the body work, or just seeing more on the building of this 49 Mercury in general, I'll leave the link to the complete custom building video at the end here. I want to say thank you to everybody for watching. I have some more projects in the making and some more how I do it videos coming up, so stay tuned. Until next time.